A lot of people don't understand the process of signing up to be a personal injury client. Let me give you an example. You're in an accident, you go to the doctor, you go home, and you're thinking, okay, what's my next step? You know, one of the steps is to get your car fixed. One of the steps is to hire an attorney. So you think, that's tough. I've seen attorney shows on TV. They have fancy offices. You have to make an appointment. Sometimes you have to wait weeks. None of that applies in this case. We make it really easy. What you do is you call and we get the information. You can be on your couch at home. We get the information. And guess what? We can send you, we can text you or email you the documents that you need to sign to retain us. That's number one. Number two, we set up an appointment for you to talk with the attorney within a day. Again, you do not have to come into the office. You do not have to dress up. You do not have to come into an unfamiliar environment. The attorney will just give you a call and he'll answer your questions and you'll move on like that.